Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Introduction to Python program. This program is specially designed for Python beginners at the introduction level. Python is the world's most popular and widely used programming language. It was developed in 1989 in Utrecht, the Netherlands, by Guido van Rossum through the combination of the C and Shell programming languages. It is very easy to learn and use. In mathematics, it is considered the most powerful programming language in the world. Thanks to its use in artificial intelligence and engineering fields, Python is now applied in many areas. From healthcare to accounting, from sales to finance, and from law to art. Contrary to popular belief, it has nothing to do with the snake species Python. Its name actually comes from the famous British comedy group Monty Python. There are technically many different ways to do the same task. The purpose of the Python programming language is to accomplish a task in the easiest, simplest, and most comfortable way possible. The code you write should follow this philosophy. In the Python programming language, there are data types and control units. We write algorithms by managing data types through control units, and then we execute these algorithms as code. Why do we write algorithms? Because in an environment where there is no natural or artificial intelligence, we must explicitly instruct the computer what to do, how to do it, when to do it, with what, to what extent, until when, or what not to do. That is the purpose of writing an algorithm. Python's data structures consist of float, integer, boolean, string, list, set, tuple, and dictionary. Python's control units include conditions, if, lif, else, loops, while, for, functions, and exceptions. Along with these topics, those who understand and can practically apply file operations, object-oriented programming, and regular expressions, regex, at an advanced level are called Pythoneers. Knowledge Club, the bridge to the future.